I'd have to say after lots of research and going online and Facebook and you name it, trying to find out what everybody was doing to, that worked best for me, I finally found VersaTube and looked at their site several times, did the whole Facebook thing, looking to see what everybody liked about it, and then finally I was like, you know what, this company is very affordable. This is going to work for me. So then, pulled the trigger. No, I mean, I'm one of those guys that embraces a challenge and love to work with my hands. So the fact that it was a kit and I could do it myself at my own time and really make it my own, I was all about it. So jumped right on. The whole idea behind this was trying to make it as cost efficient as possible. I knew that I had a source for the repurposed materials that I used, and that I would be able to get enough to make this project work. So the idea of going with the carport with using the repurposed materials and a shipping container, it just seemed like it was really going to be a no-brainer. And it really wasn't too difficult for me to pull off. I do a lot of custom work, a lot of repurposing on the side for my hobbies and whatnot, and some stuff that I like to sell. And it just kind of made sense to go this route. Especially if I'm going to be selling things that I make, why not have a shop that kind of goes along those same lines? So this thing, I went with the higher carport, and it was very tricky to do on my own to get up there and get everything in place. So I wasn't really thinking that. I was thinking, ooh, big, bigger is better. And it ended up being quite challenging, but like I said, I love a challenge. Yeah, there's definitely nothing wrong with doing this. I mean, yes, it's a little more work, but if you don't mind a little hard work, you can have a decent shop no matter where you are.